You're never gonna wake up.
I'm sorry. I guess I haven't been a very good wife to you, but I'll make up for it. Have you got any old socks you want darned or any old dishes to wash?
Later. Much later.
I feel wonderful. Do you know what I want for breakfast?
Breakfast? Oh, breakfast, yeah.
I want a double order of hugs and lots of nice words and a great big bunch of kisses.
Shall I call a waiter?
Crazy if you do. I'm sorry, Doc.
I hope you're not catching cold.
I don't think it's that, darling. It's more like...
Put your finger under your nose, like this. This is terrible. I better get Doc. Like that. I'll be right back.
All right. I love... Morning, Doc.
Hello, Pat.
How do you feel, dear?
I think it's better, dear. Look, no ka-choo.
We better have a look at you, Pat.
Thanks, Doc. But I've never had hay fever before.
Well, then probably something aboard ship's causing it. You'd better lie down.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Can't go on like this, Doc. We've been in Rio 2 days and she isn't any better.
I know. I thought something aboard ship was setting up her allergy, but well, frankly, now I'm stumped.
Let's face it, Doc. We've got to do something about Pat's hay fever.
Why don't we take the first boat back to New York?
I can't go for at least a week. I have a big deal pending with a Brazilian airline.
I have an idea. Why not let Pat go down to Buenos Aires with me? Then we can...
Now, wait a minute, Doc. You might at least wait till our honeymoon's over before you try and steal my wife.
No, Kip, I'm serious. Dr. Gonzalez, the scientist with whom I'm going to work, is one of the greatest living authorities on allergies. People come from all over the world to take his treatment. Why not let Pat go with me?
But I don't want to leave, Kip. I'd rather stay here even if it does mean suffering.
I hate to have you go too, Pat, but, well, we aren't having any fun here with things the way they are.
And after you finish your business here, you can fly to Buenos Aires.
But, Kip, I don't want...
That does it. Take her with you, Doc. I hope you can fix her up.
I'll give you back a new woman.
Oh, I don't want a new woman. Just give me back the girl I married.
Kip, I give you back a wife in perfect health.
Thanks, Doc.
This will be perfectly painless. It might tickle a little bit. Not very becoming, is it?
Well.
Oh, well. File this under experiment number 6.
Oh, Kip.
There. That's just a sample of what you've thrown away. You'll never get another one from me.
It isn't important. Examine this kiss microscopically. It may contain what you're after. Who knows?
Please take me with you, Kip.
Pat,
Max! Max, quick! I'm having one of my weak moments. Hurry!
Come on, boss. Come on, young lady. Get going. Hit the load.
Leave us alone!
Hit the load. Hit the load. Come on. Snap, snap, snap. Here I am, boss. Always on the job.
thanks, Max. You're getting a $10 raise.
Look! See?
Pat,
Wait! Kip, watch this.
hey, what is this?
You see, it's your shaving cream. That's my allergy, darling, not you.